Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an update on our S54 engine Z3M Coupe. If you've watched our previous videos, you would have seen that we mentioned Supersprint have sent us a race exhaust to fit to this car, and you also would have noticed the car actually doesn't make any sound and it needs some personality. So the first way we're going to address that is by fitting this Supersprint race exhaust to the car. We also do have a set of headers, but we're going to fit those at a separate time and include some dyno work in that. So these exhausts are a replacement for the rear section. The tailpipes are slightly bigger, so these are 70mm, they're straight cut chrome and have the Supersprint logo on them. There's not much else to say. Realistically, they're going to look better and they should sound better than the stock ones, because stock ones make no sound whatsoever. I'm not going to change the center section because we're changing the headers. I think if we change the center section and the headers, it'll probably be too loud, and I don't want this car to be too loud and drone on any motorway journeys. Once we've done the exhaust and in the future the headers, we will then fit a carbon air box to the S54 engine so we can make it sound like our M3 CSL. So let's get this exhaust on the car and see what it sounds like. So as you can see, the Supersprint exhaust has retained that classic chrome look that the stock ones have, just slightly bigger so it suits the chunky nature of the rear of the car. Sound wise, it's improved it by making it a little bit deeper and sporty. We are going to fit a set of Supersprint headers to this car, and once we've done that, we'll dyno the car and see what gains we can get, and also see what the sound is like from inside the cabin. But that's it for now. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.